Comparison of Xiaomi 11 Pro, Xiaomi 12 Pro and Xiaomi 13 Pro. Now we will talk about display type, display size, refresh rate, resolution, screen to body ratio, display PPI density, screen protection, now we will talk about build quality, height, width, thickness, weight, water resistant, camera specifications. Rear camera Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro, rear camera Xiaomi 12 Pro, rear camera Xiaomi 13 Pro, front camera, performance, chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, storage, RAM memory, internal memory, memory card, battery, capacity, fast charging, wireless charging, sensors, connectivity, network, NFC, infrared port, port type, headphone jack, price. These are approximate prices. These may be changed in your country or region.